Hey guys, Internet Dude here. Here's the P100D. Still really enjoying the car. Just wanted to give you kind of an update here on what's going on. I don't think you've seen this in my videos yet, but I got the windows tinted. I actually had that done in Calgary before I left. I hope the audio is okay. I was having problems with the microphone on my last video, so I decided just to not use the mic this time. I'm in a closed area, so I think I'll be okay, but bear with me. So I got the car washed up today, and I got it ready to go. I put it in high, very high suspension mode, and I enabled jack mode because I am putting on Arachnid wheels. Ooh. So what these are is these are referral wheels, which you can actually get them on a P100D now, but they used to be only available through the referral program. Now, I didn't get enough referrals to win these. I had to pay for these. I bought them off a fella out of Alberta who won them as a referral prize. So what they are is they are staggered 21-inch wheels. So the front ones, let's see, are these the front ones? Let's see if you can read that. There we go. Yeah, so they're 245/35 ZR 21s. So that's 21-inch wheels, and I think they look fantastic on the cars. I've seen them on other cars. So those are 245. Let's take a look at this one, and this one's 265/35 ZR 21, and it uses Michelin. Do I have a good shot of that? Try on this one. Michelin, not really. Anyway, they are Pilot, or is it Pilot Super Sport tires. Should be able to see it there. So actually, yeah, I'll just show you a kind of a side view. So that's what the tread's like. You can just tell by touching that this rubber is a lot more sticky than a traditional all-season tire. Like, these are a performance tire, and they're going to wear as such. The tread life on these is not that great. And here's the 265. Like, that's, let's see if I can get a better angle here. Put this one up. So if you put your hand across, like, that's a pretty wide tire. So my basic plan, I guess I'll just tell you this. These, like I say, I got from a member in Alberta who won them, and he said they were new and never mounted. When I look at the holes in there, I don't know if you can see that. There are a few marks, like they were maybe mounted once just to kind of see what they look like. Pretty sure they were mounted, but I don't think they were driven on based on the rubber. So anyway, the plan is get them on the car, and then I'll get some footage for you. Now, I guess I'll mention that my intention here, I'll do it off camera, you don't have to see this, but I'm going to put some wax on the inner barrels of the wheels. I'll probably do the spokes and everything, but definitely the inner barrels, I'm going to wax that up just so it makes it easier to clean. All right, and I have something different that, I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but I'll show you. I have a new kind of jack, a jack that I really don't use very often. It's not your traditional hydraulic jack. It's a air-powered jack, so you simply hook up your air line to it. It's an air compressor, and it's made by a company called Zendex. I bought this at the SEMA show probably, gotta say, 5-6 years ago. And I used to use it on my Prius, and it's really awesome, but it was just a little bit too tall to work on my other Tesla. But now with the adjustable suspension, I have enough height that I can get on there with this. I'll just show you some specs on it. It's rated for 2 tons, and they tell you to not go over 105 PSI with shop air. So basically how it works is, there's a toggle down here, and if you pull this towards you, it just inflates that airbag. Really quick, really easy. And if you pull this other side, it does the opposite. So I'm going to use that this time. We'll see how it works. It supports 2 tons, so shouldn't be a problem. So I already did a tire swap tips video, so I kind of talked about the different techniques that I use. So I'm not going to go into detail on this one. You can check out that video if you'd like. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that jack. I'm going to go ahead and swap out the wheels and tires, and then I'll come back. I'm done. What do you think? I tightened the lug nuts to 129 pound-feet. I put some wax on there, like I said. I put some tire dressing on the tires. And by the way, the best tire dressing is stuff called 303 Aerospace Protectant. Gives it a little bit of a natural shine to it. It looks great. I'll give you a nice view from down here. There we go. I'm using a gimbal. It's a little bit quirky right now, but I think that looks really sharp. I'll maybe try and get some outdoor footage for you as well tomorrow. It's dark out now, but definitely digging these wheels. What do you think? Leave me a comment below.